The morning that looked too calm, the stillness before the storm. There are days in the stock market that begin without drama, without noise, without any visible sign of turbulence. Yesterday was one of those days, a day wrapped in an unusual silence, a silence that felt almost scripted, almost deliberate, as if the entire market had paused to inhale before releasing a long, unpredictable breath. The sun had barely risen when traders began logging into their terminals, screen flickering to life like actors stepping onto a dimly lit stage. Across cities, in small apartments, in crowded office cubicles, in trading floors buzzing with faint murmurs, thousands of eyes locked onto price charts, waiting for the day to begin. Yet something felt different. There was no tension, no pre market chows, no rushed chatter, no explosive headlines distorting sentiment. It was a morning so calm that even the most volatile stocks appeared disciplined. Futures were steady, global cues were balanced, and sentiment was neutral, the kind of neutrality that rarely stays innocent for long. To the inexperienced, this calmness looked comforting, but to the seasoned, this kind of quiet is rarely a blessing because markets are like oceans, and oceans are never still without reason. The pre opening sticks moved slowly, like a heartbeat conserving its strength. Every candle, every fluctuation, every teeny movement felt intentional, as if the market was watching us instead of the other way around. Old traders, the ones with scars from years of volatility, leaned back in their chairs. They have seen morning like this before, mornings that pretend to be peaceful but carry storm beneath their surface. It's the kind of morning where hope grows too easily, where beginners feel too confident, where the market looks like a friend only to reveal its true face moment later. The clock marched towards the opening bell. Seconds felt longer, heavier, the silence on the chart stretched wider. And then, with the ring of the opening bell, the calm shattered not violently, not explosively, but in a way that only the market understands. A subtle shift, barely noticeable, yet powerful enough to change the entire rhythm of the day. The first candle printed green, a small, polite green, no authority, no dominance, just a candle trying to decide what identity it wanted to wear. Volume was low, unusually low, as if the market was testing us, teasing us. Are you paying attention? It seemed to ask, can you sense what's coming? The next few minutes passed like slow motion footage from a dramatic documentary. Charts moved gently, indices floated without direction, stocks breathed quietly, inhaling liquidity without making a sound. But beneath that softness, beneath that almost angelic calmness, there was a current, a hidden force, a silent energy building up like pressure under the earth's crust. The market was calm, but it was not peaceful. It was calculating, observing, preparing. And as traders stared at their screens, unaware of how significant these first few quiet moments were, the market sharpened its claws behind the scenes, waiting for the perfect time to strike. Because in trading, the day rarely begins with fire, it begins with smoke, and yesterday's morning was full of invisible smoke. The opening seemed uneventful, but it was not. It was the opening chapter of a story written in volatility, drawn in candles, powered by psychology, and narrated by uncertainty. The morning looked calm, almost beautiful.
Order
But
blocks,
beauty in
the
the stock
institutional
market is
blueprint of
often a
price movement,
disguise.
advanced smart money
When
concepts.
silence
Order
begins
blocks,
to
OB,
crack,
are one of the
the
most
first
powerful
15
concepts in
minutes
the
after
smart
the
money
opening
trading.
bell are the
Retail traders
true
draw them
heartbeat
as a
of the
simple
market.
zones. but
They reveal the
institutions
tone
use
of
them
the
as
day, the hidden
execution
intentions
engines.
of the
An
big
order
players,
block is
and
not just a
emotional
candle.
stability of
It
the
is the
traders
area where
watching
banks
from
and hedge
behind their
funds place
screens.
massive orders,
Yesterday,
creating
those
the
15
foundation
minutes
for the
carried
next
an
major
energy
moves.
unlike
This chapter
most
reveals
trading
the
days.
true institutional
Not
logic
loud,
behind
not
order
sharp,
blocks.
but thick.
What is an
Dense,
order block?
heavy
Real
like the air
definition.
before a
Most traders
thunderstorm.
think
Nothing
order block
dramatic
equals
had
to last
happened yet,
opposition
but the
candle before a big
atmosphere
move.
had
But
shifted
the
in a
real
way
definition
only
is deeper.
trained
Order
eyes
block
could
is the
see.
final area where
The chart
institutions
still looked
accumulate or
calm, too
distribute large
calm, but the
positions before a
candles had
displacement in
started
price.
speaking.
It
Not with
represents
volatility,
institutional
not
buying
with
or
price
selling,
swings, but with
liquidity
subtle
absorption,
cues.
smart money
Those
accumulation or
microscopic
distribution,
patterns
the
that
origin
only
of
reveal
displacement, the
themselves
starting point
to
of a new
traders
trend.
who
Order
listen
blocks are the
without noise.
footprints of smart
A
money.
slight increase in wick
Why
length,
order blocks
a teeny
matter?
drop in volume,
Institutions
a
cannot place
narrow
billion
bodied
dollar
candle
trades
here,
anywhere
a
they want.
hesitant
They
reversal
need
there.
liquidity, stop
There
loss
were
cluster,
moments
fair
not meant
pricing,
for the
volatility,
casual
imbalance
observer.
zones.
It was
Order
almost as
blocks
if the
provide
market was
exactly these
whispering its
conditions.
intentions, a
Price
soft,
react
elusive
to
whisper
order
that
blocks
warned
because
something
unfilled
is about to
institutional orders
change.
remain
Watch
inside them.
closely.
Price
The
returns to
indices
mitigation those
continued their
orders.
slow dance,
OB
not
marks the
falling,
beginning of a
not
market.
rising,
OB shows
just
where
swaying
smart
as
money
if
is
the
active.
testing the
This is
boundaries of
why
patience.
OBs act as
Stocks
high
in major
probability
sectors
entry
showed
zones.
similar hesitation.
Types of order blocks.
Banking
There
barely
are three
moved,
major types
IT
of
walked like
institutional
it
order
was
blocks.
balancing on glass,
Reversal order
and
blocks
mid caps
used
behaved
when
like children
institutions reverse
ordered
the
to
market.
sit still.
Characteristics:
But seasoned
liquidity
trader
sweep,
knew
major
this
break in
behavior.
structure,
They had seen this
strong
exact melody
displacement,
before,
price
the
return to OB
pre-reward
and
rhythm
reversals
that
sharply.
often precedes sudden
Reversal OBs give the best
volatility.
risk to
In
reward
trading,
setups.
silence is not the absence of
Continuation order
movement.
blocks
Silence is the
used
mask
within a trend
movement
to
wears
maintain
before
momentum.
revealing
Characteristics:
its true
forms
form.
inside a
And
strong
yesterday,
trend,
that
small
mask was
accumulation candle,
cracking
minimal
slowly,
liquidity sweep,
quietly,
strong continuation
almost
move. Useful
artistically.
for trend following
Somewhere
traders.
deep inside the
Mitigation order
market
blocks.
structure,
When a
big money
previous OB
had
is
started
revisited
shifting
because
positions,
unfilled
not
orders still
openly,
remain.
not aggressively,
Characteristics:
but with the
price taps
elegance of a
into
chess
old OB, fills
grandmaster
pending
moving
institutional
pieces in
orders,
silence
resumes the
before
trend.
an
These
unexpected
OBs
checkmate.
produce snippet
Large
entries.
buy orders
The order
appeared
block formation
briefly only
process.
to
Every
disappear
strong
as
order block
quickly
forms
as they
through a
came.
predictable
Sell
institutional
orders
sequence.
stacked up, then
Liquidity
evaporated
build up.
before they could be
Retail traders
executed.
place stop
It
loss
was a
above
dance of
highs, stop
shadows,
loss below lows,
orders flashing in
breakout
and
orders.
out like
This
ghosts,
creates liquidity.
volume flickering
Liquidity
like
grab,
candlelight
sweep.
in a dark room.
Price spikes to take, buy
Indicators
stops
giving
above
misleading
highs,
hints,
sell
and
stops below
retail
lows.
traders trying to
This gives
interpret a language they
institutions
were
liquidity
not
to
yet
fill their
fluent in.
position.
On
Order
technical
block candle
charts, the
prints.
structure
The
looked
last
harmless,
opposite candle before
but in
displacement
reality,
marks
the
institutional
market was
absorption.
laying traps,
Displacement move. A
invisible
strong
traps,
move away
the
from the OB
kind that
confirms
catch you
institutional
not because
intent.
you make a mistake,
Break the
but
structure.
because you
The
trust the
market officially
calmness
shift
too much.
direction.
A few
Replacement into
aggressive
OB.
retail
Price
traders
returns
tried
to fill
entering early
leftover orders.
positions.
New
Some
trend
went
begins.
long,
Price
believing the
expands in
low
direction
volatility
of the
meant
displacement.
steady upward
How to
momentum.
identify a valid
Others sorted
institutional order block?
prematurely,
A professional
convinced
order
that
block
the
must have
market's
strong
hesitance
displacement
was a
after its
sign of
formation, a
weakness.
clean BOS, a
Both
liquidity
groups were
sweep before
wrong
the
because
OB,
the market was
presence of
not choosing
imbalance
a
or
direction.
FVG,
It was
OB
waiting,
located at
waiting for
discount for
liquidity,
buyers or
waiting for the
premium for
emotional
sells.
jump from the
Clear
crowd,
rejection when
waiting
price
for
returns.
just enough
If any of these
participation
elements
so
are
it could
missing, the
choose a
OB is
direction
weak.
that
How
hurts the
institutions
majority.
use
The
order blocks
first crack in the
to enter
silence came
positions.
quietly.
OB
A
offers the
sudden
best
week on a
risk to
5
reward
minutes
and high
candle.
liquidity, allowing
Not large
institutions to
enough to
enter
scare
quietly.
everyone, but
To
strong enough
exit
to
or mitigate
alert every
positions.
serious trader.
If price
It was
returns to
like
an
the
OB,
market tapped
institutions
the
fill
glass
leftover
window and
orders.
whispered,
To
"Wake up,
manipulate
I
price,
am not
order
as
blocks
calm
plus
as you
liquidity
think."
sweeps create perfect
The
trap for
wick
retail. To
signaled
mark
the
fair value.
first real struggle of
Price
the
often
day.
return to
Buyers
OBs
trying to
because
push
this
up,
is the fair
sellers
value zone
pushing
for
down,
institutions.
neither side
Order block
giving up.
trading
It was
strategy,
not a
professional
battle yet,
method.
but it was
Here
the
is the
warm
institutional
up before
framework
the
for
battle.
trading OBs.
Screens across the country
Step 1.
refreshed,
Identify
charts
liquidity.
updated.
Marks
The
equal
slight
highs or
tremor
lows,
passed
future
through
targets.
the trading
Step 2.
community like a
Watch for
silent
liquidity
ripple.
sweep.
Some
Wick
traders
breaking the
leaned
level
forward in
equals to
their chairs,
institutions
others
hunting stocks.
adjusted their
Step
positions.
3.
A
Find the
few
last
froze,
opposite
unsure
candle.
of
This
what they
becomes
were
your order
saying.
blocks.
Because
Look
the
for
stillness
displacement.
was
Strong
breaking,
movement
not
confirms
loudly,
smart money money is
not
active.
dramatically,
Step 5.
no,
Wait
but
for price to return.
unmistakably.
Patience is key. OB
And when
entries are
stillness
the most
begins to crack in the
precise.
stock market,
Step
it is
6. Enter
not
at the
just a
OB.
signal,
Set
it
stop
is a
loss
prophecy,
below OB
a
for
warning
buys,
that the day
above
is
OB for
about to
sells.
unfold
Step 7.
in
Target
ways
the next
most
liquidity
traders
pool.
are not
Price
prepared
always
for.
hunt
The
liquidity.
market was was awake
Mistakes
now,
traders
not fully
make with
active,
ordered
but
blocks,
stretching its limbs,
taking
preparing
every
to
opposite
move
candle
with the
as
kind
OB,
of force that
trading OB without
distinguishes
displacement,
winners from
ignoring liquidity
survivors.
sweeps,
The calm
using OBs
morning
like
had
support or
served its
resistance,
purpose.
not
It had
understanding
lowered
premium or discount
defenses.
zones,
It had
entering too
planted
early without
overconfidence.
confirmation,
It
setting
had
SL
convinced
inside
many
OB,
that
not
the day would
outside.
be easy.
Most traders lose because they don't